Ay. Oh yeah, Jason. What up? Yo. What up, Jason? I'm here just doing a little bit of some snapshots here. And I'm gonna transition. And I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all. And then we're gonna talk about it. And then we're gonna just chill out for a little bit and enjoy this Friday night. And yeah, man, how's everything with you, Jason? How we do? What's going on? Speak to me. Speak to me. My peeps. Oh, did I actually move it down a little bit? Hold on. Oh no, this is in. See? Okay, I gotta put you in here. Oh shoot. No. Let me know what's going on. I'm trying to find a. Actually, trying to find. What is it? Was it this one over here? No. Darn it. Wait, was it here? I think I was looking at the other ones. Oh. It's all good. That run up was crazy. I'm pretty sure it was people just taking profits, of course. People taking profits. Oh my god, like they probably had a bunch of calls and day traders, and then of course there's some shorts that were taking advantage of it. You already know all the elements, but I mean, we still ended up in the green, baby. 6.83% up. Closed. Finally making moves. I mean, instead of just being suppressed for a majority of the week, this could actually change everything. Especially in the way that it has been, running like that. And Towering Kitty. I think they should name him that. They should name him that, sure. Because he literally creates towers. He creates towers and yeah. So I'm just here trying to figure out, man. I live streamed last night, and what's crazy is that I was talking about Roaringkitty before he even tweeted, and was digging in finding some answers from ChatGPT, just to kind of you know, find out like what his current position is and stuff. I know somebody asked about that too on the chat, so I'm like, oh, okay, so we're gonna go in and ask ChatGPT, and that's what happened too. So, um, I'm just currently trying to get some screenshots here, because I need to make some comparisons from last night to today. Wait, did I do this already? I don't know if I did. New. No. Leah, did you get to take advantage of the rip, or are you just diamond handing? The man with the diamond hands. I think this is good enough. Let me see. Okay. I think next week is gonna be spot. Yeah. Yes, it is. I'm telling you, man. Once this sneeze took place, I think it changed a bit of the algorithms. And on top of that, I still think that Jimmy's trend looks pretty good too. We're definitely gonna we're gonna find out soon in a few moments. Let me just go on and share this live stream to the peeps on Discord, and then we can get started from there. Wait, what the heck is this? Oh, oops. Oh, yeah, that's not it. Hold on, there you go. Boom. Okay. Let me just go ahead and oh, no. Oh, no. You're holding. Nice. You're not really a how do you call it? You're not really a options person when it comes to AMC and GME, or have you played it before? Because I'm pretty sure. Alright, hold on, let me see this right now. Yo, oh, oh. Better safe than better safe than playing it risky. Definitely, for sure. I mean, if it was options, of course, you know, you always got to remember to give yourself time, all the time you need. And the results could come out the same too as well, even more, you know. But listen, all those unrealized gains, all those unrealized gains that could be realized gains later on, because you mustered in and you gone through gone through the whole battle, the war zone, for the past almost 4 years, you've come a long way. And I mean, just thinking about the fact that you're going to reap the rewards because you decided to come out strong and be the few that survived the battle and was tested and came out victorious, knowing that at the end it was completely worth it. I think that's how we should see it. But you know, a lot of people don't have that type of mental fortitude, that strength to you know, go through the battle and continue to fight, and they end up losing everything, and it's unfortunate. You know, it's unfortunate because you know this play in general has caused a lot of turmoil. It's caused a lot of people to lose their things and even lose their property, anything they can think of. Man, the stories left and right. It's quite sad that you know this has to come to this point. And, after all of that, you know, when this thing happens, we're gonna remember those that had lost their lives in this battle, and you know, we're doing it for those people. On top of that, this has turned out to be one giant movement that no one's ever seen before in the history of the stock market. And I really think that it's going to pay off, in my opinion. It's definitely going to happen. And all the signs that you know we're kind of getting close, a little bit closer now. So what could be the potential major catalyst to set all of this off and finally see what everybody has been waiting to see? So, are we ready? I hope you are, Jason. I hope you're ready. I hope everyone else is ready. And I hope everyone else watching right now, and show some love for those coming into the stream. Are we ready to face the inevitable? Because I really think that, and I feel that we are close. Everyone's talking about it. Everyone has seen the signs all around. There's a lot of things going on right now. Not only just the stock market, but outside of that. And all across the globe. A lot of people are watching. A lot of people are watching. So, without further ado, let's get to it, shall we? Actually, I want to put this up here too as well. Let me just move this to the side. I'll bring the chat out here so I can see, so we can recognize and acknowledge the people's presence here. And I appreciate you stopping by, and it's a pleasure seeing you on the stream. For real, Jason. Thank you. So yeah, let's talk about it. Oh, there's Zelly. Good morning. Happy Friday. Yes. Good to see you. Good to see you on here. Much love. Giant hugs. Besos. I gotta put it on here too. Hold on. Look, this is what happened. Look, let me, as a matter of fact, I'm gonna show you, just so you can see at the bottom right of the screen. Zelly, just take a look at this, okay? All right, you see this on the bottom? Let me know. Jason says, I rode the AMC run up from 13 to 72 and didn't sell. Regret that. I also do remember that too as well. And mind you, I had like maybe not even a year of experience in the stock market. I had started investing around February of 2021. And I got into options early. Didn't even know what to do. And I remember I could have made a crap ton, but yeah, I couldn't hold my emotions and things happened. So trial and error, trial and error. But this is what we go through as investors and traders. So good. There goes Momo, Pamela la 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 la. Welcome back. I'm more refreshed. I'm more rested. I took like 2 hours nap. But yeah, so look, all right? So you got the emojis here. Now when you there's hearts, right? And it's red. When you click on it and you send it, to me it shows red. Send me a screenshot if it doesn't show red, but it shows it right there. And I just find it hilarious because it must be a bug on YouTube's part, or maybe it's just the iPhone iOS version. Oh man. Momo. I'm gonna be transparent and tell you that I had turned about maybe 2,500 and change to about 40K ish, and watch that all go back down again, because I didn't learn how to just let go and secure the bag from when it went to 76. Not 72 approximately, but 76 before it came back down. And oh my gosh. Sometimes it's not, it's not good to remember and regret, but as a lesson, and that this time we're not going to be making that same mistake ever again, because we've been through the battles now. We've been through 4 years in this war zone. Now we're coming back physically and mentally strong, and we know what to do now. It's just a question if they're going to do something that's going to ruin that. But I don't think that's going to be possible. They're going to let this happen. And we just got to take advantage of the opportunity, and that's it. We definitely know a lot more in Fishy with the gifted membership level 1. My guy, Adrian, good evening to you. Happy Friday. Much love to you, Fishy. I kid you not, man. You have no idea how much I appreciate you for that. You're insane. You're insane, but I love you. So thank you for that. And Stony Bones. I haven't seen that name in a long time. So maybe Stoney's gonna be surprised there. He's gonna get a notification saying, what? I got a membership from Lion's Den. I got gifted. Oh my god. And he's gonna come in and be like, what's this? And he'll be like, yeah, Stony, Fishy gifted you a membership. Can you believe that? And he's gonna be like, wow, I haven't. Cool. And then he's gonna get to play with the emojis, just like this. Rawr. So everybody give a big warm roar for Fishy. Show some love. Thank you for that gift to Stony. Sure, he will definitely appreciate it if and when he comes back. And for real, man, I really hope that you've been having a great Friday. Also, everybody else here, hopefully everyone's enjoying their Friday, relaxing from this intense but exciting yet roller coaster of emotions type of day of what we just had gone through. I mean, can you believe that? Shout out to Jason for having the mental fortitude, the strength to be able to go through this battle and still be holding strong with everybody else who is also holding strong these stocks. So yeah, he is Momo, definitely, for sure. So let's just, before I get started, of course I gotta do this, but anything and everything that's going to be said on the stream is, and on the chat too as well, is strictly in our opinion. None of this is financial advice. This is for educational and entertainment purposes. Sometimes it could get a little crazy and wild, but it's just part of the fun. And also remember that you are your own decision maker of your money and investments. As long as you know your risks, your limits, and you know what to do, as long as you're making money, and that's what truly matters. Isn't that right, Zelly? Because you got this. And everybody else here too as well on the stream knows you all got this. You came a long way You came a long way to get to this point now and to finally witness something that we haven't seen before, and we're gonna be the ones to reap the benefits and rewards of this incoming run. Achoo! And also the potential incoming correction. So, with that being said, welcome again to the Lion's Den, fams, peeps, lions and lionettes. Happy Friday night and Saturday. And I hope that everyone is doing well. That we're locked and loaded. That we are well positioned from where we were before. And that we know what to do now. So, hey, so we got Momo, we got Eric in the house, Fishy, we got Pam, we got Jason, and we got Zelly tonight. So anyway, let's talk about it. So remember last night's stream? Hold on. Do you remember last night's stream and what we were talking about? I'm gonna listen to sleep. Yes, listen to this podcast, Pamela la 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 la. Listen to this podcast as you fall asleep and listen to the voice of Lion of all trades as we discuss what happened last night on stream, as we discuss information about Roaringkitty and asking questions on ChatGPT about his positions and what he currently had at the time. And then what happened today that blew everybody's minds. And we're gonna actually find out right now exactly what happened last night on Lion's Den. But first, I need to do something this minute. So, you already know who you are. Hit me up, because I gotta say something. Anyway, now I took some screenshots because I feel like I don't need to go back into the stream and search, because that probably takes a lot of time. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you evidence. The evidence is here, and what I actually said last night, which was crazy to me because I'm still in disbelief, but also shocked and excited. And so Okay, so if anybody was on focus last night, okay. Okay, so before anything, we're gonna backtrack to what happened um last night in stream. And so remember, I we were all talking about Roaring Kitty because we were in the subject of GameStop. And so somebody had asked a question, I forgot who it was on chat at the time, wondering about his position in GameStop. So I decided to look into it, and so then we go on ahead and ask the question to ChatGPT. Of course, remember your manners and be respectful to ChatGPT and saying hello. Right? So I pretty much asked what the current position, what's his current position in GME stock, and we found that he had significantly increased his position in GameStop mid 2024, holding over 9 million shares, doubling his previous stake of 5 million shares, which makes him one of the largest individual shareholders of the company, owning about 3% of GameStop. And it's heavily concentrated on GameStop, as you know, and it's valued probably more now after what just happened today, over $262 million. And now if we go to the next screenshot here, we see that I had made another question here, and I asked if he had made any other changes to his portfolio, and does he have a stake in Chewy, which we know when he had posted this tweet on June 27th that he had taken a stake in Chewy. Eric and I thought, Woof. I think Woof was also affected by this. And damn, Zelly, mommy. Okay. I just caught that. And so Woof even had some activity going on in its stock, because hence dog think stocks that involve pets, Petco, Woof, and Chewy. So what happened with that was he took a stake in Chewy, and it said here that he had taken a significant position in Chewy, owning at around 9 million shares, which gave him a 6.6% stake in the company. This position was valued at approximately $245 million as of July 2024, and his investment in Chewy came to light after a regulatory filing, and the stock saw a surge of nearly 15% upon announcement, though it has been volatile since that time. And so he had 9 million of GME and 9 million of Chewy. And so after a while, we started looking at the chart of Chewy, and so what ended up happening, and I took a clip of this approximate time moment on the stream where we were reviewing the chart of Chewy, and I made this speculation. This I don't know if you want to call it a prediction. I don't know. I don't know, but so Zully, I'm trying to. Oh boy, yeah. So let me just pause the music for a second and review this clip here in full volume and what we talked about and what I said at that time. So let's just play the clip. And don't mind the bird. Rico is loud. It looks like, yeah, perhaps he took a temporary position and made some money on the way up. Now he has more liquidity. Maybe he is loading the account for more Jamie shares. Maybe. So so focus. Um. So what happened today, ladies and gentlemen? What happened today? Fishy. Due to that, what happened today? This happened as he posted at 12 p.m. Eastern Time on the TRADEZ or X.com and posted a picture of from the movie Toy Story 2, I believe, where Andy drops Woody like F you Woody, I don't need you. Throws him on the ground like, heh, I'm a big kid now. I don't play with toys. And he puts a picture of the dog that was set to give confirmation that he had entered a position in Chewy around the end of June. Now, September 6th at 12 p.m., posted Chewy being dropped to the ground, which I had just said last night that maybe he was dumping or selling his Chewy position to take, to get some liquidity to buy more GME. And this is what happened at 12 p.m. exactly, where GME from a low of 2190 or 2180 decided to rip insanely, had a big sneeze, and we see AMC rip up almost 10% in 12 minutes. In 12 minutes. Can you believe that? Look at that. Actually, no. Actually, no. From 11:42 to 12:12, uh, just about 11% in 30 minutes. And so looks like that was not a coincidence, was it? I couldn't believe it. It's not just me just making this guess and speculating this. It's just the fact that this thing actually really came about and it happened. You know? So I'm shocked. So what ended up happening here? Yes, and that's exactly what I'm about to show you right now, posted by Unusual Whales, 8 minutes right after the boom boom candle, when Roaring Kitty posted that picture, and it says here that before his tweet went out, someone, and we would assume that it was him, he had put $2 million on GME in this GME $22.50 strike call contract expiring next Friday, 9/13 of 2024. Jason G. Showing here a volume of 12,813 with an open interest of 4,307. And the average was at $1.75 for these contracts, and the premium was approximately at the time $2,242,849, which is massive. The ask volume was at 11,562. Mid volume 241, and actually, as a matter of fact, the ask was at 10,461 in volume, the mid was at 33, and the bid was at 102. From where he was actually pointing this out. Let's see. So was it just a little pick me up and then P&D? I mean, we have a lot of, questions about this, and as to what this was all about. But mind you, this trend here, it did something to the algo for sure. Because mind you, for the rest of the time, I don't know, since the last run up around May, I felt like it was just tracking along with the SPY. And we've been seeing the patterns, we've been seeing the way it tracks with the SPY to the T. Some spikes here and there, especially when you notice as market opens, we see that spike happen and then the drop again. And then back to regular huggo trading, in my opinion. And then following with whatever the SPY is doing. But this completely, and I don't know if you guys agree, but this actually broke a little bit of that algo. Because after that spike, then we got ourselves a nice little George W, including that little nice gumping handle and breakout, and retesting that level at around $24. Did we ever get to it? $23.95, which was the high. No, $24.12, which was the high of that candle, that 5-minute candle right there. And after that, Hold on. Still drawing again. 1 second. So then we got ourselves a little situation where even the MACD here shows that this thing literally has all this room to come back up. Push up here for a bit. What about the RSI? Here crossing over the bid line. And attempts to actually try to reach that higher curve there. But overall the EMAs looking pretty strong here. But will it actually stay the way it is and follow now the trend to actually start moving back up over 25, 26, 28, 29, 30, and so forth? Because now we got this situation here. And we need to find out what this means exactly. So in the 4 minute, could this be a double mountaintop like Kat mentioned earlier today? I'm not sure if it was specifically on the 4-hour chart, but on the 5 minute chart, I gotta figure that out. But yeah, this is pretty much the trend right now. This is pretty much the scenario that we got going on. Okay? And as you see it here too as well, on the MACD, you can see the momentum picking right back up and looking like as if this were to have the intention to move back up and start to cross over. And perhaps in the midst of earnings next week, as we could potentially see another green week. Not a green week, but technically, let's see. Technically speaking, we could have had ourselves a nice hammer candle green if we had just broke over 2450 after that run. If we had just closed over 2450, I kid you not, I think that we would definitely get ourselves a green week. For sure. And even for a potential to see GME reach new highs, new day highs, and potentially seeing the effects of earnings too as well, in hopes that we could probably see GME test for $30 a share. So you tell me, and you tell me what this looks like to you. This trend itself here on the weekly looks really, really good. I kid you not. Look at the way the EMAs look right now, and you tell me exactly what that looks like to you. Because in my own opinion, that looks bullish. I really hope it doesn't reject from here and it pulls back down. I really want to not believe that. And just because of the way that these ripster clouds look here at this point, in this time frame, Um, it's actually getting thinner again, climbing back up. And let me just go ahead and put these candles as hollow candles, because you can actually see it better this way, as it took a bounce from this week of the 26th and now getting a lot more thinner here closing this week. And mind you, wait a minute. Okay, hold on. Well, this is interesting. I just realized as soon as I switched from regular candles to hollow candles, the candle here shows green. Interesting. Let me change this to bars. Okay, so it's red. So from bars, you can tell as we move a little bit closer that actually GME had to break over and close over 24.15 in order for that candle to turn green. So now I get this whole point of the bars too. This is interesting. I gotta make sure to actually look at this, because this could actually tell the price action and what is it doing. Hakanashi, where's the Hakanashi? The Hakanashi on the weekly surprisingly actually shows, wow. It actually shows here a green weekly candle that looks like it's actually engulfing, and the high being at 24.69. That next bar here, I would assume that it would have to break over 25.15 next week. So next week it needs to end, break over 25, and if earnings is all good and dandy, and maybe Roaringkitty just pops out again, and perhaps from whatever he profited from, and this is just speculation again, guys. I'm making the speculation, this prediction or whatever you want to call it, not financial advice, in my opinion, because he had if he had sold all his position in Chewy, which was more than $246 million, and he only bought $2 million in contracts, supposedly, apparently, allegedly, if he was the one that bought those over $2 million worth of premiums for those calls, $22.50 calls expiring next Friday. What if he does it again next week and puts in another $2 million, maybe $4 million in contracts, and starts to build up a little bit of the gamma and put some pressure, or maybe we can get another run like we did today and actually break clean 25 and go straight to, let's say, maybe 27 or maybe even 30. Huh? That would be crazy. And then from there, everything changes. The trajectory alters, and then we are talking when it comes to a potential big move in GME, and including AMC, which is what I'm about to talk about in a few. But first, I gotta show you also the options chain compared from yesterday to today. I wanted to see if it's actually the same and to see how it ended up. So you see something here. Huh. Let's see. 20. Oh, this actually. Wow. 26. Oh, hold on. Let me just zoom out a little bit. Can I zoom out? Oh, okay, here we go. Oh. Oh, wow. Look at that. Can't even move this. Oh, here we go. Like this. And then zoom out a little bit like that. So there was at least, is this volume? This has to be volume here. What we got going on here? 45. So this was actually higher at over. No, it looks like the same here. I wanted to see if there was any different here. Anything different. But it looks like it was a volume of 169.67 million in calls for the $45 strike. And then here it looked like it was just about over 170. So it was probably more yesterday than it was today. So I found that interesting. The max pain was at 2250. Now that has changed, and now we see GameStop closing over that and close to 24 bucks. What is the max pain for next Friday? So apparently it still says 2150. Still says 2150. And let's see. We can go ahead and look at the calls for 2250 for next week. Oh. Now we can see something here. So when we go back to Chart Exchange, it said here that there was an open interest of 427 and a volume of 4,307 for these contracts at 172. And as of the closing for today, that number changed from an open interest of 4,307 to a volume of 28,792, closing at a price of $2.65 per contract. So these contracts made bank. I'm pretty sure so did he, doubling his position as well. And now you got the $25 strikes here, bumped up in volume. Let's go ahead and look at Chart Exchange. What is the volume? The volume at this time was 6,919 with an open interest of 3,040, close with a price of 104 at that time. And now we got 6,919. Oh wait, this is the open interest right here? Oh, I got this backwards. Wow. Alright, I messed up on that. It definitely had the volume and OI backwards, the other way around. Okay, so what was... Okay. So what I meant to say... Okay, the 2250 volume was 427, okay. And then the volume went from 427 to 28,792. Holy crap. And then the volume for the $25 strike expiring next Friday was at a volume of 3,040, and now the volume at 15,262. So they're definitely loading up crazy for the $25 strike calls expiring next Friday. Not financial advice, of course. You make your own decision of what you want to do with your money, your investments, as long as you're playing it safe and all that. But look, even the $30 strike calls a lot more in volume than the $25 strikes, which I was just mentioning too as well, as a potential next level of resistance if things start to get a lot more spicy next week. And from the return of Roaringkitty in his post, and wondering what he do to his position of Chewy, and what is his cash at hand now. And I'm pretty sure that he was the one that bought those over $2 million premium worth of those $22.50 contracts for next Friday. And if he's actually going to do it again, who knows? That is just a speculation. It's just my opinion. Once again. Cheers to you, Fishy. I hope you're having a cold one. For sure. I wish I had some tepache right now. I told he better bring me some next week, I swear. Cause that stuff is so good. So good right now. But so the $30 strike here, just to check that real quick before I move on to AMC. $30 strike. So it was at an open interest of 9,938 with a volume of 3,323. Here, closed at the time was worth 44 cents a contract. Here, it looks like the open interest is now at 9,938 with a volume of 18,544. So that volume increased dramatically, and I'm pretty sure it increased dramatically after that whole event or situation that occurred at 12 p.m. with that tweet and Roaringkitty and all that stuff. So yeah, I think they're really gonna try to push this real hard and real good and real deep. So by all means, you can see it here. We got the spike going on here in open interest. Good stuff. And we'll check to see what the cost to borrow fee is at this time. Only 1,100,000 shares available to borrow to short, with cost to borrow fee of 0.32%. And just a minute ago, actually. Okay. So with that being said, let's see if there's anything else that was tweeted. I don't know what this was all about. Okay, Boomer, who was it? It had to have been a Boomer market control? That would be crazy. His account is controlled by the Gov, apparently. That's interesting. Can you imagine that? That would be... Oh my god, if that was actually... I don't know. We're just reading the comments here. Do you think that the SEC would have arrested this Joker already for securities manipulation? But they seem to enjoy rich people grifting everyone else. GG looks like someone went from helping retail to preying on retail. Ooh. People are really skeptical about that. Hmm. Very interesting here. Ha.
$1 billion, 700 billion, and $1,300,000,000,000,000,000.
Oh boy. Oh, doesn't that look creepy, huh? Cute kitty. We got called the National Guard. He's back. Who, Roaringkitty? Oh, that's hilarious. Someone is like, so no more Chewy. Time for AMC. Oh man, this is crazy. Alright. Well, I'm gonna go on and switch the chart here. Y'all saying over here. Okay, what is going on in the chat? What? Oh no, that's a little ding. Okay. Okay, Eric. What? A heated exchange. Lord. Oh shoot, what am I doing? Oh, okay, no, I'm good. Okay. Oh my god. What are we talking about here? Jesus. This is what really happens in a dungeon, huh? Oh god. Oh god, no. Sorry, just give me 1 second. Oh goodness. Alright, you guys. Alright. So for safety precautions, I have to mute the notifications here. Just in case. Just in case. Oh, wait, okay, where is the thing at? There you go. Okay. Back to our regular programming. Carissa. Oh no, okay. I was like, wait, what? I mean, that should never be the case at all. I should be in there getting hot and wild. Ooh, spicy. How are you doing tonight, Carissa? Good to see you back on the Lion's Den in a stream. And trying to figure out what is the next move for GME here. What are we looking for here on GME? GMA. Oh, GMA. What did I do here? What is this? Ah, okay. So we got a situation here. What are we doing here? Ah, these are just random. Zelly's not even VIP, Momo. Did you not see her name? It's not in red. It's in gold. It means but heck, make her VIP. Hmm. 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 I know. I gotta wait. I gotta wait for the queen to say something. Yay. Hey, yo, DH. Yo, DH making deliveries, sending in the package. What is going on, DH? Is DH? Wait, DH, are you in the Discord? Yo, 10 is on here too as well. Say word. Say word, 10. 10 on the stream. Good morning to you. Ooh. Zelly's like, I am VIP in the real Lion's Den. Okay, mommy. I see you. Say word. DH and Tan in the stream. Give them a big, great roar. Welcoming back to the Lion's Den with Line of All Trades. VIP on VIP. But you know what, I would like to think that from what I'm seeing here, Carissa. Hey, Carissa, you've traded. Have you? Of course, this is just not financial advice again. But Carissa, have you traded AMC and GME before during the first run up or the second? Sunny. Oh yeah, Sunny got the membership too. Sunny, I believe you were gifted by either Eric G or Fishy. But Sunny, pleasure to see you on the Lion's Den. How you been and how was your Friday? Welcome back. Also, we got Tan in the house. We got DH. We got Sunny. Who else is gonna come into the Lion's Den? What is going on? And how excited were you to see this action, this pump, this deep pump, and to know that we could be on the verge of another exciting, unique situation here. Let me look at the hollow candles right now, and you can see exactly what I mean as the EMA clouds took a nice big bounce off the 180 to 200, 34 to 50 EMA ripster clouds, and now leaving us with a situation here where I think that we're definitely off to a great start, and which could be, again, like I said, a situation that may have altered the algorithms here, because if you guys noticed, and speaking of SPY, DH, and how I was showing AMC and GME and, you know, majority of others tracking along with the SPY for a long time, ever since that last big sneeze around May, where GME went to like 60 and AMC went to like 12, 13 bucks and came back down to come back to regular programming with the algos. This could have changed everything, in my opinion. So just seeing this trend overall, and oh my god, and I didn't even get to look at the hourly, but the hourly looks just as good. Oh my god, so spicy. And Carissa, like, what? I mean, you know, what if this is the case scenario for next week? We could see this back to 25. And knowing the fact that GME has earnings on the 10th, next Tuesday. So, and that's in the after hours, after close on Tuesday. So we could have a very special case again, a very special situation for GameStop. And not only that, now let's add AMC into the mix, because as you know, brother and sister, they've been moving together quite the same. And history shows it that this has been the case for a long time. And we could see it here as we look at the 4-hour chart for AMC and GME. And what I like about this too is that the EMA clouds are also reversing and about to cross all over each other, just like that. And now we are in this unique situation. We look at the hourly for AMC and GME. You can see that there is a potential for a breakout once again, and hopefully GME we will see 25 by Monday, and maybe we will see AMC finally break over $5 and also hit the new day highs, maybe 550. Who knows? That is just my opinion, and that is speculation here as I'm making these predictions. But yeah, everyone, once again, thank you for taking the time out of your Friday night to be here with yours truly, Line of All Trades in the Lion's Den. Couldn't thank you much enough, and it means a lot that you guys are here. Oh my god. See? Look at that. Doesn't like when the lights turn off. Did you hear that, birdie? Yeah, I know, but still. I guess, oh my god. Oh my god. Sorry, y'all. The lovebird is going crazy because mama turned off the light and honey's not having it. Mama's not having it at all. So we're just gonna wait until. Yeah, I think she's mad right now. She's bickering. She's like, no way, your dogs heard honey? Why, they got really good ears, huh? Yeah, that's what my mom did. My mom covered her honey with a blanket. So, a 30-minute looks good. Looks good so far. I'm really hoping that, are you serious? TH, no way. That is crazy. I don't even have chili pods. Yo, what up, TP? Oh my god. It's still upset. Go to sleep. It's like they attacked me like I was the mailman. No, you serious, DH? No, for real. DH, you really got attacked by your dogs because of my bird? That is insane. Yo, give a big roar for TP, for DH, for Sunny, for Tan, for Carissa, everybody else in the chat. Big roars. And everybody give. Oh, there's. And Cat too as well. Hey, be quiet. Go to sleep. Stop bickering. Oh my. Yeah, I was about to say let's give an eggplant to Fishy. Yeah, Travis is working his night shift tonight. So Travis, good to see you, bro. Hopefully this shift goes smoothly. Much love, man. Fishy friends with the eggplant. Hey, yeah. Oh, you did, Zelly? Oh, thank you, Carissa. Nah. I got all my kings and queens in here. The kings and queens of the jungle. Or the lion's den. Y'all made this possible. Remember that. Alright, so let's go on and quickly check. So Yo, yo, the bird is still bickering. The bird is still bickering. She's so mad right now. Oh, Sonny. What kind of breed was Honey? And how old was she? Wow, it's raining over there, TP. Where you at exactly? Name the dungeon is calling my name. I've magnesium 10 for short. I think you were talking about magnesium citrate. Oh, there's magnesium citrate and then there's magnesium glycinate. Let's see. Yo, remember these stocks. APLD and SPWH. Alright, you know what? We're gonna actually check that out in just a few moments right now. So just remember this picture right here. Remember this. When you know that AMC didn't even have any type of news, catalysts, nothing whatsoever. And mind you that whatever GME went through, AMC did the same exact thing. Okay. You got yourself a little nice pick me up here. Now, I don't know exactly what on earth this was all about. I know everybody saw this. Everybody saw this on AMC. Fishy, I think you saw this too as well. This big drop here. 14 here in the 5-minute candle was 14.71 thousand shares. Looked like it was dropped from 488 to 475. And then it just got bought back up, and then now it had picked right back up to 492 around there. So isn't that crazy? That is insane. So let's go ahead and check AMC real quick, and then we can go over those two stocks that you just mentioned. And it looks like for a moment there, wow. Ooh. Cost to borrow fee 1.77% and 1 million shares available to borrow as of right now. Alright, so I don't think there's anything more here to review for now. He has not posted anything else in my belief. Let's see if there's any other information. And what's interesting is that the market was collapsing at the same time this actually happened. Let's see. This guy is going crazy on his post, saying that Roaringkitty had just posted for the first time in over 70 days. That was a result, GME spiking 6%, and over 2 million worth of calls were loaded in 2 minutes. This guy is saying squeeze to 150 and over is incoming and shorts will go bankrupt, in his opinion. What else? What else? Oh my god, Roaringkitty, I am shaking. 12K in minutes. My life just changed. Wow, this guy bought. Jeez. This guy bought 500 contracts for 43 cents each. And a YOLO. That is insane. That is insane. I cannot imagine what someone would have to muster mentally and emotionally in order to go through such a YOLO like that and pour in a bunch of money into contracts expiring the same day and not knowing the fact that this actually happened and printed so much. That is gonna be us very soon, in my opinion. So I don't want this to happen to everybody for sure. But what a lucky guy. What a lucky guy. Son of a gun, right? So let's see. Oof. So it says, oh, Sunny said, what's the lookout on AMC? Well, like I had discussed there earlier and the stream prior last night about the whole thing with them tracking with the spy and everything, and knowing the fact that this situation, this rare situation that took place, changes everything in the algos and the way that it's trading. I really would want to just say, and remember, this is not all about what stock is better and, you know, versus one-on-one. It's none of that stuff, you know, because there's people out there to divide people from the two, and it's pretty much like you're in one of the same, even though the valuations is completely different and everything. But in this unique situation, in this event, in this scenario, whatever you want to call it, what happened to GME, knowing the fact that there was no news whatsoever on AMC's side, and that AMC had gone through the same thing along with GME, we would just have to say that we would have to just rely and put it into the hands of GME for now. So whatever GME does next week, especially when there's earnings, we're gonna have to assume at this point that if GME makes another move just like this and we head to 25, we see, heck, you know what, if things go crazy, if Roaringkitty, let's say Roaringkitty again, like I said, does it again, that he supposedly, in speculation, in my prediction, he sold all of his shoey knowing that it was worth $240 some million. And he only spent $2 million on those calls in premium and made GME go crazy with that tweet. If he did that again and added another 2 million, 3 million, 400, whatever the amount, this could be huge for GME, and we could see another pop that we haven't seen since May. And we can even forget about 25. We would probably have to start looking near 30 a share for GME. And if this thing rips its ass off to 30 next week, including earnings, whatever, AMC is going to eventually follow, because it's literally running with it. Their brother and sister, Amy and Jimmy, and that's just my take on it. So again, GameStop in 3 days reports their earnings. Meanwhile, in the next 58 days, we're going to have AMC report their earnings. So that is going to be November 4th. So November 4th is the next earnings for AMC. Okay. So that is what we have for now. For it. Yeah. So now what this did to the chart, the daily chart for AMC too as well, is a good one. Because now, let me just remove the drawings for a second and show you what the daily chart looks like as we broke out of this pattern. Got this nice big candle on AMC. The MACD completely crossing over. And then you have the ADX here reversing. And the green line is about to cross over the red line. So I feel really optimistic about that. And so is the same for GME, and this looking like a nice, you know, it just looks so good. So again, yeah, my take on that. Fishy, you're still here? Fishy? Listen, guys, I'm just letting you know. If you're aware, remember that I do have the chat on the screen. So yeah, be careful what you post. So Sunny had a poodle, a small standard. She was the kid's dog. Suns are now 60 and 58. Oh my goodness. I know she lived to an old age, but can't remember what age she died. Wow. That is amazing. Amazing. 60 and 58, your sons. We're talking to the OG, Sonny G. I want to say, let's see, so small standard poodle. Let's see. Oh, one of these poodles. Let's see. Oh, gosh. Yeah, these standard poodles are cool. I like them. The Moyen poodle. That is an interesting breed, but the standard poodle, yeah. Wow. Aww. Gee, standard poodle for sale? For 4,605 euros. They're selling puppies online now? Wow. They are very unique in terms of how their fur is and everything. How they groom the fur and trim it and everything to look like this. Kind of looks like one of those hats, you know, those Russian hats. It's cute. Eric G. He said it looks like me. Cat's being a good kitty. Good kitty. Good kitty. Kitty, 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 kitty. Roaringkitty. Let's see. Where is that? Where's Fishy at? My computer is lagging. Like my computer is so slow. Okay, APLD. So APLD is partnering with a hyper company, Apple, Meta, Google, and others. Their GOI. Oh shoot! Hold on. I'm going to announce what hyper company they are partnering with, APLD, and the other one, SPWH, has a $90 million market cap and sells over $1 billion in revenue, trying to merge with a big store but got blocked by the Fed. New administration will let the merger go through, back to $17. So let's go ahead and look at APLD while Eric's Jam is playing on the playlist. APLD, which is Applied Digital Corporation. Wow, very interesting setup here at the moment. I'm gonna zoom out here just to look at the overall view of the daily chart for APLD. Wow. Look at the weekly. Even a bigger wow. What the heck? Jeez. Interesting. Let's go ahead and look at the profile for APLD. Applied Digital Corporation. Whoa. What just got targeted? What was that alert? Huh? That's weird. Okay. So Applied Digital Corporation is a technology company which engages in the provision of development and operations of data centers which provide computing power. It operates through the following segments: cloud services business, HPC hosting business, and data center hosting business. Company was founded by Wesley Cat. No pun intended. Company was founded by Wesley Carl Cummins and Jason Zhang in May 2001 in Dallas, Texas. You can see the performance did drop a little bit here in the year 2023. Net income is just a little bit higher. Revenue is a lot higher. Earnings quarterly. October 7th is the next earnings for Applied Digital. Estimated negative 27 cents here. So higher than expected. Okay. Let's just go back. Okay. 14 hours ago, Applied Digital Corporation soared 65.7%. Is further upside left in the stock? So, let's see. So the company is expected to post a quarterly loss of 29 cents per share in its upcoming report, which represents a year-over-year change of negative 190%. Revenues are expected to be 51.84 million, up 42.7% from the year-ago quarter. I'm trying to see if there's an actual... Okay, this is Zach's. I can't read Zach's stuff. Oh, okay, here we go. Applied Digital rises as Nvidia joins investors in $160 million funding round for data center firm. So Applied Digital entered into definitive agreements for a $160 million financing from a group of investors, including chip designer Nvidia. In the private placement, APLD has agreed to issue more than 49 million shares of its common stock at $3.24 per share, its closing price on Wednesday. A private placement is a sale of shares or bonds to pre-selected investors and institutions rather than on a public exchange. Got it. Lemon pie. I'll just stick with lemonade. Sunny Gigi Ma stands for great grandma. The G of all G's on the chat. Got Jason G, got Eric G. We got all the OGs in here. But Sunny Gigi Ma is the OG G. Tan, you asked why Lion is on, and I'm just saying you're not happy he is? What? She is happy. She's dancing. Poontang pie. Okay, shoot. I'm enjoying. Just heard him say, "Not tonight. Gonna watch sunset and enjoy the weekend." There's never always negative vibes from Tan, from my point of view and from my understanding. Tan is amazing. So we're getting here on the weekly chart here a nice cross on the ADX and green. The The MACD here on the weekly chart looks pretty interesting too, as it's looking to take a nice bounce. Sort of like kind of creating this similar scenario here in coming back up and trying to, you know, break over and perhaps also mimic what happened here around the end of May into June. And what happened at that point. Thank you, Tan. And big hearts to you too as well. And as you can see here, this week, this week that just happened, Applied Digital here with a low of $3.01 and a high of $5.71. So it almost ended up breaking this candle over, which was a high of $5.84. So $6. And then you have $7 afterwards. Now there was a gap here that looks like it's hovering around somewhere around $7. Fishy, when did you specifically heard about this? Let me know in the chat. And what do you think is the potential for this stock to go bananas? Let me know. Let's see if I can match this correctly. Looks like this gap was filled. Native Gamer has arrived. There you go. Welcome back, bro. Let's see. She was a Moyen. Tried to get another Moyen, but too hard to find here in the States. Wow, are they actually that rare? I never knew Moyen poodles were actually a rare breed. Well, I mean not specifically rare, but you know, to the point where it's like, wow, like where do we actually find it in town and pet stores, and you know? That's why I find it interesting now that I think you can buy pets and have them shipped. Of course, hoping that everything goes well, and you get yourself another Moyen poodle. Pretty expensive too, in my opinion. Let's see, Momo, I wasn't gonna look for him is all. Glad I did because I bumped into you. That's cute. So yeah, what's up with you, Native Gamer, man? How was your Friday? Did you have fun with the big exciting Boom Boom candles by AMC and GME? Erica says Lion works his booty off. He needs a break or a vacay. I really do. I honestly really do. I'm even considering whether I should take a week off and relax. Get my mind right. Stop sitting on this chair for a long time because it's actually hurting my lower back, and I need to go back to the gym, and I need to start building these poom pooms back up again, because the more I sit in this chair, I feel like the more flat my booty is gonna be. So I gotta make sure that I'm conditioned more and I get more sleep, feel more rested, my brain is rested, can think clearly, and have some more exciting streams, more energetic. Yes, but that is true. You know, we can't always go too deep and go too crazy, you know, when it comes to doing I would consider this as a side job, you know, but a job that I like to do. and it's so fun. I would prefer doing this instead, and it's and I love to interact with all of you. I love to find out like what you guys are all about and know more about you, and tell stories, and just seeing like what we think about what's happening with the market and all around, sharing information and benefiting from this, and trying to make money from it too. But the vibes and everything, and fishy with another gifted, holy crap. Thank you. Phil Haynes, that's a name that I do know for sure. I think we all do. We've seen him before a couple of times. He was actually from the William Ferrand stream. So, Phil Haynes, congratulations to you. You just got gifted by Fishy with a level 1 membership. Hopefully we'll get to see him around. You'll probably get the notification as well. Y'all want to hear my story? Oh shoot! I mean, why not? I mean, this is the platform. Heck, if you're in the Discord, we got plenty of stories in there too, and we got the dungeon. If you're in there, wait, DH, are you in the Discord? I forgot if we got you in there. Let me know. But let's look quickly on the 4-hour chart. All right, so it looks like this situation did happen around Thursday. Had a big spike from 30.24 to a high here of 571. As you know, there is going to be a bit of profit taking and all that stuff. So, P&Ds usually are, happening around here. But it looks like a big consolidation here at this, what it seems to be a level of support around 450. And if it likes to hold there, it will respect it and try to bounce back over, as the MACD here also looks quite interesting, as it wants to also crack and cross over and start to end up building momentum back to the upside. So that would be cool. So for now, it's just flat. It's just flat. And depends if this is also affected by the market. But as we look at the analyst rating, if we see the forecast, we got, based off 7 analysts offering a 1-year price forecast for Applied Digital, and have a max estimate of $12 per share and a minimum estimate of $5 per share. And all of the 7 analysts say that is a strong buy, not financial advice. Strong buy. And the high again, minimum $5, average $9 a share, and a max of $12 a share within a year. So that is a strong outlook for Applied Digital. Here, as Fishy says that they're gonna have a partnership soon with some big company. Martin G is a legend. Bro, Fishy is a legend too. Overall, everyone here is a legend. But the real legends here, you already know who you are. I appreciate you for that. Sunny. Phil, find a name I know. Where am I? I am actually in New York. I'm located on the East Coast in New York City. The big rotten apple. It's definitely becoming rotten for sure. It sucks. I'm sorry to say, but it really sucks. Got clowns running the show over here. Duty calls. Welcome back, dude. You're on here late. He's saying y'all ain't laughing at my 2350 call now. That was wild. Yes, it was, dude. Duty calls. You a G for that, man. If you secured the bag, bro, on those 2350 calls, he wasn't taking any chances on that, huh? Shoot. So a question, as Eric G shares everybody on the chat his Nagas Aguadas, his peaches. Everybody give a big roar to Eric's peach, his fuzzy peach. Give him a big roar in the chat, guys. And perhaps an eggplant for that peach. Let's go. Salinas, California, fishy. Everybody, where is everybody at right now? What is your city? Represent your place, your city. As I am in New York City. Where are y'all from? Got Salinas, California in the house. You got UK in the house. You got Utah in the house. We're definitely going to add Applied Digital Corporation to the list right here, and keep a close eye on this. As we also just look quickly at Fintel. Oh, okay. Look at that. So we got Sunny, Spokane, Washington, and we got somebody else from Washington. Duty calls from Seattle. So we got a lot of West Coasters here. Cali love. Quad City, let me know. Represent. TH from Tijuana. DH from Detroit. Holla. Let's freaking go. And for those give me 1 second. So Quad City. We're talking about is this what we were talking about here? The Quad Cities region of Bettendorf, Davenport, Moline, East Moline, Rock Island in Iowa. Detroit Fever. LA sucks, says Momo. We're gonna have the battle of the cities in California here. Salinas versus LA. There you go, native from Iowa. And I remember Travis is from Utah. Lived in Spokane all her life. Spokane must be pretty suburbish too as well. Very green, fresh. Definitely not smelling the city streets and the traffic and all that stuff. Cat, represent your city. Where are you representing? As we look at Applied Digital Corporation, 18,224,846 shares, short interest ratio of 0.44 days to cover, and a short interest percentage of the flow of 15.57%. Off exchange short volume ratio of 48.65%. As of 30 minutes ago, we only have 250,000 shares available to short. And cost to borrow was at 4.40%. So that is your quick little brief overview of the Fintel data for Applied Digital Corporation stock. Sheridan, Wyoming. Okay, we got some Central, we got some West Coast, got some East Coast. We all mixed over around here. Mexicans be killing each other out here over that North and South. NorCal, SoCal. I never understood that, dude. Be proud of where you represent. Travis, Ogden, Utah. Welcome back, Travis. Travis in the house. I'm gonna assume that TP is from Las Vegas, because he's always at the slots every day. And I know Jesse J is in Florida. So Jesse, if Jesse's on right now, I just saw Jesse message right here. Oh, you saying something about my Broncos? How's work going, Travis? How's the night shift? You guys are funny. Fishy. SPHW? No. SP. I gotta go back to the chat up here. Hold on. We talked about a lot here. Holy crap. Damn, we go hard. We going hard on the chat. It doesn't scroll all the way up. Yo, Fishy, what is the other ticker symbol? I think it's HP. No, hold on. FHP. What is it? All right, I'm gonna have to wait for Fishy to let me know because I can't even scroll up. It doesn't let me scroll up all the way and find the ticker symbol. Eric G is always at the liquor store. Do they get upset when people talk about the Raiders? Jesse's like, say word. They're not that good. They get upset at everything, not Broncos. Shout out to 561 and 954 So Flow. Went to middle school and high school in Florida. Yeah, Jesse Julby from Florida right now. What is good? Give Jesse a big roar. A big, exciting, and spicy roar for Jesse J. Welcome back. Happy, well, it's not Happy Friday anymore, but Happy Friday / Saturday morning. Are you doing roadside assistance right now? Are you working? They gotta... Wait, hold on. Oh, okay, thank you, Fishy. SPWH. Oh, Sportsman's Warehouse Holdings? Wow. So let's see, as of 2 days ago, look at the weekly chart. Looks like Sportsman Warehouse is maintained at neutral by B. Riley Securities, but the price target was cut to $2 from $4. You believe that? Craig Hollum cut Sportsman's Warehouse price target from $4 to $3. Lake Street is maintained at a buy. Price target was cut from $5 to now $3 a share. And crazy, huh? Bayard is also making a cut from $4 to 250 cents. So they're all cutting here. What do you think about that, Fishy? Three days ago here, Sportsman's Warehouse continues to expect 2024 CapEx expenditures in range of $20 million to $25 million, consisting of technology investments relating to merchandising and store productivity. No new stores openings for the remainder of the fiscal 2024 are currently anticipated. Internet is down. Oh shoot. Sunny says, second largest city in Washington, home of Lilac Bloomsday Run with over 32,000 runners from all over the world. Also Hoop Fest, which is the largest 3-on-3 outdoor basketball tournament on earth. Look at that. So there is definitely big history for the town of in Washington. It's wow. Could it say it's actually better than Seattle? Do you think it's better than Seattle? But yeah, Spokane, Washington. Spokane. Spokane. I wonder where that name originates from. Spokane. Spoken like a true G. Thank you for that, Sonny. And thank you for sharing a little history for your city in Washington, Spokane, Washington. How is the city, by the way? How does it differ than Seattle? I'm pretty sure Seattle is, from what I've seen currently on Twitter, YouTube, it's been a little crazy. I would like to say maybe, I don't know if it's more crazy than New York, or I don't know if New York is a bit more crazy than Seattle, but you know what I'm saying? On the weekly, wow, look at that, $90 million cap. Got a 90 million market capitalization for Sportsman Warehouse Holdings. The volume traded was just 640,000, and the average is 397,000 here. So we did get a little move here on the weekly candle, and it has been climbing since here the bottom of 181 to a high of this candle at 254. So it looks like it's actually climbing a little closer to their price targets, where all of these firms has been making these these price targets here. But overall it's neutral, so it's crazy. Yes, $1.7 billion in revenue, which is quite high for sure. Let's look at the daily real quick. And on the daily, looks like we have a nice trend happening over here. Candle closing in a doji-like fashion here. You can't even see the body at all. You can't even see the candle, but it's green. So I find that interesting. If you look at the 24-hour, when you look at the 24-hour, that's included the extended hours. You can see it has a nice looking body here, which looks like it's a means for another continuation, for another candle to retest over 250 and perhaps actually cross right over the 200-day EMA and go past 265 and so forth. If we take a look at the short interest, it's 1,880,102 shares with a short interest ratio of 1.46 days to cover. Short interest percentage of the float 5.66%. An off exchange short volume ratio at 57.85%. We got ourselves only $2 million, 2 million shares available to borrow to short, with a cost to borrow of only 0.35%. So very, very low, controlled, and maybe a little bit more stable in the way that this is actually moving. Let's see. This administration blocked the merger. I would assume that if it wasn't under this administration, I'm pretty sure that this company would have been flourishing at this point, possibly heading back to previous highs as much as 5 and even further than that. Because if you can see in the history of this stock was once about an $18 a share stock back in as a matter of fact 4 years ago, September 14, this was at a high of $14.32 a share. And then from there, after the end of 2021, it started seeing a decline all the way until this point. So imagine that. That is a long drop, slow drop. But yeah, that's insane. So for sure, and what's interesting is that the tickers that we have been talking about as of lately has all been experiencing new 52-week lows. If you realize that. $17. So we'll definitely put this on the watch list too as well, because I do want to look into this too as well. I keep saying as well. Oh my god, I just noticed that. Oh, 10 for short. 10 to 10 to 10. Well, you already know. Much love to you. And it's surprising to see you here so early in the morning. And hopefully you enjoy the rest of your sleep. And enjoy the rest of your weekend. You have a good one as well. It's always a pleasure to see you here. We will be able to talk during this weekend on Discord with everybody else. So you already know how it is. So thank you, and be easy. So everybody say goodnight to 10. Give us a big roar. An eggplant. And a goodnight kiss. Spokan. Let me know if I got it right, Sonny. Spokan. Named after the Spokane Indians that lived here first. Wow. No, actually, Zelly was here earlier, and she said that she had to go to the farmer's market. So, yeah, she's gonna be out for a while. I won't be able to be on for a little bit long because it is 1 o'clock in the morning. So eventually we're gonna have to all get some rest. We'll be here for a little bit more. Let's see. So yeah, I can't believe their merger got blocked by the federal gov. By the gov, man. So dumb. Let's look at the hourly right now. Let's see. Spokane. Just Spokane. Put a little accent to it. Spokane. Welcome to Spokane, Washington. Hello and welcome to Spokane. Ooh, and the hourly actually looks pretty nice. Fishy. I like this little ascending, this type of ascending triangle looking pattern we have right here. Let's see, can we get it from here? I think from this point here we would call this an ascending triangle on the hourly for SPWH. Bah. Supposedly they blocked every single merger in the last 4 years. I wonder who was in charge of those blocks. Somebody definitely did not want them to succeed. Maybe it's another retail store, maybe another sports retail store that didn't want that to happen. Maybe it's Dick's. Who knows if it's Dick's Sporting Goods? Huh? Mind you, Dick's Sporting Goods is at $208.04 a share. Can you believe that? Ooh, that looks nasty. Very nasty. Indeed. Oh. Let's see. Hookah vape, tried it, don't like it, and I heard a lot of things about it. I could not do it at all. Eric is like, I smoke ribs and tri-tip. Ooh, tri-tip. Oof. Oh, Sonny. Spokane, Washington. Welcome to Spokane. I gotta remember that. Welcome to Sheridan, Wyoming. Yeah. Let's see, we got the 200 at 135 here. Looks like here on the weekly, it looks like Dick's Sporting Goods is ready for a bearish cross on the MACD. The ADX is trending down and the red line is ready to cross over the green, which also looks quite bearish. Oh, look at that. That looks filthy. Looks filthy. What do you think? Y'all talking about meats. Earlier tonight I had some Korean marinated ribeye steak. I gotta look at the name again, but for some reason it was so freaking good. Okay, yeah, I had a marinated beef ribeye steak. It was so good. My God, I love how they marinate that meat. So good. Cat. 양념 벌집 등심 스테이크. This thing costed me like $14.46 for that. Sonny, no one knows how to pronounce the cities in Washington like Puyallup, Tukwila, Poulsbo. Did I get it right, Zully? And you're back from the farmer's market. Hola. ¿Cómo estás? Mommy. Mommy's back. Mommy's back. Oh, you're in the road. Oh, shoot. Please be safe. Please be safe, por favor, on the road. Oh my god, that is one disgusting gap fill there. Oh, but the gap fill is the opposite direction. Got it. So what are you gonna do? So you're gonna do a joint meet and greet with what? Wait, what? A joint? You want me to smoke with him? Oh my goodness. Wait, was I able to pronounce that right? Sunny? Zelly? Puyallup? Tukwila? Poulsbo? If not, you're gonna have to show me how it is. Oh, he's having a meet and greet? Oh, so let me, you know what? Screw it. Let's have this conversation. Oh no, I didn't get it right. Damn, mommy. You're gonna have to teach me how to say it then. Tequila. Tequila. Sharifa. Hanifa. Bonifa. Lakawala wilkawala. Let's see. So he's having a meet and greet. Okay, so all right. So that is not me. If you all noticed, I haven't been going to his stream for quite some time. And I'm just literally here trying to do my thing here, focusing on my own craft and being able to produce my stream, which I, believe it or not, I have been actually streaming for a while. It hasn't been at this level, honestly. It hasn't gotten to this point, but I did my first live stream back in December 13 of 2022, and it definitely did not look anything like this to where it's at now. But yeah, I have not been going to the stream. I know that there has been talk. There has been talk going around. And just to get it out the way, Roaring Lion is not me. I'm forever known and always gonna be Lion of all trades. The loat to the goat. And I noticed also the first time, because I have been hopping into his streams sometimes just to see what's going on, and I've noticed that there's also a Lion of Cheese. There's a Lion of Cheese and Roaring Lion, and their names seem to also be all in caps, just like my name. So that has me wondering, where did they come from? When did they start coming into his stream? And are they influenced by me? Are they trying to take my place as Lion on the stream? Not that that's the case, obviously. But I never understood that. It's just so weird that ever since I stopped going to his stream, since last month, I think, I want to say maybe the end of July going into August, I haven't been on the stream. But you remember the time when you remember the time that he did that whole raid in my stream, and that he was supposedly, giving me advice on like what to do in order to grow the stream and this and that, and kind of doing it his way. After a while, that was it. He would then come into the room. He would say, like the stream, but don't say hi to anybody else, or even actually put in the effort to make conversation with me and anybody else that was in the stream at that time. And that was it. Just to make his presence known and leave. And so after a while, I might as well just be telling the story. It is what it is. But then after a while, as I was doing my own thing, then there was a stream that I found really interesting that he ended up titling, and that stream was apparently about imitation Data Zero. Somebody imitating him? Is that correct? Thank you, Sonny. That comment really means a lot. But I have seen I have seen Lion of Cheese and Roaring Lion talk at the same time. But what I was gonna say is that on the stream, I don't really listen. I'm gonna just put it out here. And I'm gonna be straight up. With all due respect, I don't need to imitate anybody. I don't need to imitate you. I don't need to be like you. I did my things my own way. And of course, things didn't really go the same way it did for you. But everyone has their own path. In the way people do things. Notifications are on, Momo. Notifications are on. It's true. You're right. You're right. You're right. Guys, you're right. All I am saying is be respectful. Be respectful here. We don't need to be doing any of this stuff and going to people's rooms and doing all this investigating thing and like calling people out on something that they felt they had the free will to do. Have some respect. If they enjoy being here, they enjoy being here. And I appreciate each and every one of you in here and everybody else who decided to stick with me and who loves to be here and enjoy the stream. And we're good. We're good. I do this because it's fun for me. And I like to interact with all of you. I like to learn from all of you. I like to learn from each other. I like to, have fun and be able to just be ourselves. And this is never a competition. This was never nothing like that. I never seen it like that. I'm just trying to do my own thing. Like I've been doing for 2 years. But I just think that type of behavior is childish. It's unacceptable. And I'm just going to be the bigger person here. All right. So that's all I got to say. But just know that whatever we say on here, it's being documented. You're recording yourself. You're live. You're on the stream. Just like I'm on the stream. This is being archived. So whatever's being put out there, it's gonna be there. And eventually somebody's gonna remember that. And they're gonna be like, yeah, I remember when you said this. And when you told me this. And everything that I've done for you. And this is what you do. This is not what this is all about. But to each his own. DH saying here, life is always a competition, just with yourself. So let's see what else. But anyways, yeah, just just continuing to do our thing. Continuing to to enjoy the vibes. Heck, listen, I do the multi charts because I think that we also need to follow the market as a whole. Because what if we don't know what's happening outside of one stock, and we don't know why a stock is dropping or rising? Where's the influence coming from? I gotta put up the SPY. I gotta put up Bitcoin. I gotta do this multi charts because we need to see overall what direction we're going. And if there's something going on that's crazy, then we would know from there if it's market related or if there's a catalyst, there's news or something, you know what I'm saying? That's why I do it. You know? But look, even if, you know what? Okay. But Jesse's like, big facts, you saying lying, you do you, boo boo. Thank you. I appreciate you. And I gotta admit, listen, when these things were happening, I was getting heated. So me talking about it got me a little heated too as well, but I had to stay cool. I had to stay grounded, stay zen, and you guys also helped me out there too as well. So thank you. Including Momo and Kat, everyone else. But this is our way to do things. You know? If you want to, feel free to join in and be a part of it, then by all means, you're more than welcome. And we have a great Discord with great people, amazing people. Welcome back, GCA. The real OGs. The kings and queens. The lions and the lionesses of the Lion's Den. What's up, GCA? And native gamer too as well. Fishy going on to say that I am trying to get better as a trader and I'm feeling I'm learning from both. I got no computer and you break down to the ADX and took time to explain stuff. So thank you. Thank you, Fishy. I'm happy that able to impact you in that way. It makes me happy. Eric is like, Lion listens to all of us and asks for the tickers. I appreciate that. I appreciate you. There's no, I mean, look. This is what it all comes to. We're all just trying to learn from each other. We're trying to grow from being in the market, and you know, we're here sharing information. Like I said, we're giving out valuable information, of course. You know, I'm even on Discord. I'm sharing even PDFs, books. Here, I shared out a PDF about options trading strategies that I've been looking into, and even Japanese candlestick charts. It gives you the history about Japanese candlesticks and all of that. And I still have more to share too as well on that section. So even Kat sharing the video on the Marubozu patterns, the tweezers and the kangaroo tails. We got Johnny. We got Johnny here. And we're helping them trying to learn and get the gist of doing options. You know? And I'm even planning on making a video for the members. Well, for everybody. Well, Momo, you're included. You're in it regardless. So I'll be making a video and I'll be posting it on Discord. And I'll even post it on YouTube for members only. And you know, give out little lessons here from my experience, of course. So I'm gonna be doing that soon. Take a screenshot of this, huh? All I gotta say is Lion put me on the Discord on the strength. I paid $75 for these and never used it. Damn. I mean, really, like, how is it really? Is it really educational? What plays are you talking about, huh? What tickets are we going over? Fun coupons. So, you know, things like that. I'm thinking of just doing that for you, for the people, for the peeps. Making videos, you know. You know, being able to help Johnny with options, learn more about candlestick patterns. We're gonna throw it all out there. Scoring the ego. Anyways, I'm not gonna put out too much detail anymore. We're gonna just let things take its course naturally. We're just gonna focus on what we're focused on. Keep the vibes as always positive, and continue to help each other out in any way that we can. That's the goal. So, as Zelly Zen says, next. I think I'm in trouble. Yes, I am. I am in trouble. Anyway, I said what I said, so whatever. Oy. Anyways, we'll talk more. We'll talk more on the Discord. If you want, we can all talk during the weekend. DH, you have a good one. Detroit's own DH, much love. You already know. Always a pleasure seeing you here, and thank you for the vibes. And I hope you enjoy your weekend as well. Have fun, be safe. You know? It's true. Sonny, you're right. If it's something that, one needs to get out of their chest and express themselves. I mean, obviously, expressing respectfully and to put out there, one's feelings and talking about what's right and what's wrong. What's the best thing to do? But as long as everybody, the only thing that matters is like if everybody's feeling good and everybody can be themselves. The fact that they are being acknowledged and recognized and heard. Shit, that's what matters to me. I can chart, I can go into details about charting and all this stuff, but I love to be about the people. I love to connect. I like to make connections. You feel me? So Hold on, give me 1 second. Mac Dre? No, I actually I never heard of Mac Dre. What is this? SESAI Corporation. Listen to Life's A B by Mac Dre. Y'all talking about some old school stuff here. Damn, what happened to the stock? Cat SES? SES is another baby stock with a market cap of only 354 million, average volume 393,000. The volume for today was yesterday 238,000. Let's see what happened here. Did it have a reverse stock split in the past? No, it didn't. No reverse stock split yet. Wait, so you, Kat, and Eric, you're in SES? Fishy with a 5. Oh my god. Fishy's going ham. Fishy's going salmon. Fishy's going catfish. Fishy's going cod. Oh my goodness. Let's see. So Jeremy Fergus, good vibes. Jennifer, JJ, Chad Lehman, all getting gifted by the one, the only Fishy Friends Aquatics. Oh my god. Give a big. You've been drinking? I think that was your limit, Fishy. Enough, Fishy, please. Get some big roars in the chat for Fishy. And much love to Fishy. As I go up and read the comments again. I think Sunny said something here. Oh my god. I'm sorry these hurt your feelings. The raid was done in love. It was not meant to hurt feelings. He asked us to pop in and visit your channel. He also asked to support the channel. Yeah, I know, Sonny. Yeah, it's just after the fact, you know. It's just after the fact, and I didn't quite feel good about it on how it went. So sorry, I gotta. My thing is moving slow. I can't even scroll the chat. A lot of us here would not know of you if it was not for DZ. I mean, I actually, as a matter of fact, I have been on DZ's stream since August of last year. So I've been watching for a while. I've been on his stream for a long time. And that's when I met Zully and Kevin and other people afterwards. Zelly was actually one of the first people that I connected with on stream. Wow. Was this did you put that you wanted a gift membership? I think that's why I got my membership before you. Wait, is that a shot at Momo? Wait, I'm confused. Wait, Sonny, what did you say that? Oh, did you put that you wanted a gift membership? It was to Momo, yeah. Darn. Getting sassy. I can't leave this stream. That's because you're wanted. Oh my god. Jesus Christ. Jeez. They trying to fix my no gift problem. I remember when that happened before. Fishy. Yeah, it still didn't work. Efrayer, I've never seen on chat before. These are probably like old membership, old subscribers. They all sure have to like at least like get a notification from their phone that fishy gifted them. If I can give you a membership, I would. Maybe I should go to the casino tonight. I feel lucky I was gifted. Oh. Oh, Zali. Mommy. You're gonna get in trouble. Let's see. Let's see, 2 hours ago, 200,000 shares available. Keeping this so suppressed here. 0.74%. It's not even that high. Alright, I'm just... This guy calls. So there's not... Can you hear me? Hold on. Oh, the mic is on. So you do have an options chain for SES, but the thing is, there hasn't been any type of volume coming into these options chains, even though there is some just barely any open interest for these $2.50 calls. And so that leads me to believe that there's not much going into this, and it seems like the shorts are still somewhat in control, because it keeps getting hit up and down, suppressed. This is barcode central, so it's hard to say, but I sound shot. Yeah, I do sound shot. I was doing this for Cat real quick. I'm still waiting. But what? Wait a minute. Holy crap. Short interest ratio 35.86 days to cover? Holy crap, this is something that we're gonna have to look into later on. So what I'm gonna do for now, and you're right, Momo, I think I'm definitely like at that point right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on the list and save it. And we're gonna talk more about that and stuff. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and what? Yeah, because my eyes are now getting heavy. But overall, it was fun. Oh my god. Look at that. Shoot. Damn. Let's move this to the side like that. It's Mimi time. It's Mimi time. Let's go to sleep. All right. Let's go ahead and go to sleep. No, thank you. Sunny, honestly, like I usually just most of the time I stream during the evenings, right around 7:30 Eastern time. And I'll usually get off at like 10 or 11 depending on how much fun we usually have on the stream. And you know, it varies, but yeah, it's usually around 7:30. Sometimes, well, the thing is, I'm actually trying to conserve electricity because I noticed that throughout the whole month of August, I was doing a lot of day streams, and the light bill came out really expensive, and so now I'm gonna have to cut down on day streaming and just focus on streaming on the evenings, with an exception of maybe 1 or 2 days, like doing day streams. But you know, I'll figure something out. And you know, it's not a set schedule, but I gotta try to find a balance. So yeah, that's what I got for now. Yo, let's end it up. Let's end this stream with some bubbles. And I'm gonna give a shout out to everybody who took the time out of their day, their night, to be here with me on the stream in the Lion's Den with yours truly, Lion of all trades. And shout out to EG. Thank you. I had just done that last week. That's gonna be the official landing page right there. I still got more. Actually, as a matter of fact, I gotta make that emoji. I gotta make those other emojis too as well. So, but yeah, shout out to everybody here. It's a long list of people that were here too. So, Jesse, Eric, Momo, Sunny, Cat, Fishy, DH, Travis, Sally, Kitty, Kitty, Cat, Kitty, hey, GCA, Momo, who else do we have here? And Fishy, for sure. Thank you. Thank you for all those gifted. Eric for the ass. Thank you for the 149. I appreciate that. Much love to you guys. Shout out to Kevin, TP. Man, who else do I have here to think? Carissa, of course. Carissa. How deep? Shout out to Duty Calls. Duty Calls is on the chat too. Native Gamer. Damn. The list grows and grows. But Zelly, I think I got you. And always thank you. Thank you for everything that you do. Pam, la 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 la, Pam la 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 la. Look at that! I just finished while Jessie just finished her shift. Oh my god! I'll give it a shout out to Mark R. Mark R. You missed it. Mark R. Show that Cali love to Mark and give him a nice big roar. Mark R. Haven't seen you in like weeks, dude. I'm so glad that we were all able to catch you right before the end of the stream. So some of that Cali love to Mark R. He's from Cali as well. And yeah, shout out to Big JR too. Haven't seen him in a while. Shout out to him. Shout out to Billy M, to Simba. Yeah, and you know what? I appreciate each and every one of you for being so helpful to everybody. And you know, to make sure that we are guided in the right direction, that we are in the same path, and we showing each other the love and respect and the vibes, and you know, this is what I like to see. Like, this is what it's all about. So Tan, let's not forget Tan, because she really caught me by surprise waking up so early in the morning. So shout out to Tan. Hopefully she gets some good rest. And yeah, hopefully we get to see you back soon, Mark R. Miss you, man. And as Mark likes to say, love, what, peace, love, happiness, health, and wealth to everybody. That's for you, Mark. And to everybody, Zelly, once again, thank you. Love you all. And have a wonderful weekend. And we're taking it all, exactly. We're taking it all. Listen, for all you Californians, because I know it's not really that late out there, head out to the Discord, catch up with Mark. I'm gonna go ahead and go to sleep. But again, thank you, Mark R, for coming through. It was unexpected. It was a surprise. And yeah, man, much love to you, man. All right, y'all. This is it. Don't forget to show some love to the stream on the way out. And oh my God. That's really sweet of you, Sonny. Thank you. Thank you for your love and support and for your vibes. Much respect. Thank you. Eric. Oh my God. Yo, say word. Listen, all of you are amazing. And I appreciate each and every one of you. Sonny, thank you. Much love to you. Success and best wishes for everybody. Eric G. Thank you. I gotta say word. Yo, he's spamming. Say word. Say word. Say word. All right, you guys have fun in the dungeon. All right, y'all have fun in the dungeon. And don't get too wild over there. All right. And we'll be back again next week. Maybe I'll come back Sunday night and see how futures open up and see if the SPY gets one heck of a drop all the way down to where it belongs. So stay tuned. All right, y'all. Giant hugs. Big hearts. Enjoy your weekend. Stay safe. And have a good night. Love, love, love. From the Lion's Den. From yours truly, Lion of all trades. Peace. Love, health, and wealth, happiness, positive vibes. Take care. Good night.